Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing fantastic. And today we got a box of unknown origin. And I have no idea where this box came from, who sent it to me. And we're going to talk about that. But before we get into it, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Make sure you ring the notification bell so you do get notified when I upload new content. And yeah, let's get into this. Alright, so as you guys know, I get a lot of subscription boxes, and just on a day-to-day basis, I do get a lot of packages. So when the subscription boxes come, obviously I save them for the channel and for you guys, and it's very easy to tell which boxes those are because BattleBox has their own branding on their box. Hunt Vault boxes have their black Hunt Vault boxes. Crate Club has Crate Club all over the box. So this box showed up, and this is just a plain brown box, and I didn't know what it was, and like I said, I order a lot of stuff, so I'm sitting there racking my brain saying, well, did I order something? What is this? So generally what I do is I just look at where it came from. Problem with this particular box, it came from a fulfillment center in Staten Island, and that's it. It just gave me that address. I even went so far as to track the tracking number to see if that gave me any information, and it didn't. So I opened it. When I saw the contents inside, I was like, oh snap, this is definitely from, it has to be from a subscription company, but I have no idea which one. So let me just show you what was in this box, and we'll take it from there, and I'll let you guys kind of be the judge of it, because opening as many of these boxes as I have, you start seeing a lot of repeat products, and you start seeing certain products within certain boxes, so you kind of get a feel for what the company might have been, and plus there's some stuff in here that I have gotten in box before. So with that, let's just check it out. Okay, so the first thing in this box is a FRX2 hand turbine AM FM weather radio from Eaton, and I do believe I have received this thing before, which it was right here when I opened the box, and then I saw the other items. I was like, yeah, I've got this before. I've gotten this before because it's from the American Red Cross, and I was like, but I do not remember which box I got this in. So that's our first item, and we got some packing stuff. The next thing is a Smith's, let's see, a tinder maker with fire starter from Smith's called a Pack Pal. This is a very interesting item. This is actually, and I wish I knew where this box came from, because this is actually a really cool item. This is pretty much like a cheese grater for wood that you can, you can take wood and it'll make shavings for you. And it's a little compact little guy. You can see here it's not that big, and comes with let's see, it comes with a striker. It looks like that's a sharpener too. It looks like this. Is that a blade sharpener? Or is that just a... Oh, that... Okay, never mind. That's the striker. That's the striker for the ferro rod. And, yeah. So, yeah, this is actually a cool little item. I'm curious to see how this works. You get a little cheese grater action there with some wood, make you some tinder, and you got the fire steel. I really do like this little striker. I don't know if you guys can see that or not right here. It's a very interesting idea to make a striker like that. I'm generally curious to see how this little guy is going to work. So that's yeah, that's actually good. I like that. Let's see, and then we got some clamps, some rubber clamps for a rifle rack, which is down at the very bottom. And now I've received these particular items, which are from Gray Man Tactical. I've received them in 2 boxes. Yeah, 2 boxes. But I will say this. I have received this bag before, and I want to say it was a BattleBox. It was a BattleBox or a Crate Club that I received this particular pack in, and it's just like a, I can't remember if this was, I don't think it's not a dry bag. I think it's just a very big, large, highly, as you can tell, it's highly visible pack. So I have received that before. And then what we got here, we got, and this is some more of the strapping for the accessory rack that's in here. Okay. And we got a PT100 respirator, which this is a full face from Parcil Safety, P-A-R-C-I-L Safety. Lightweight, cooling tech, impact resistant, anti-fog. And let's see. It takes these round filter cartridges, which I don't really have a whole lot of. I have a lot of the 3M, like the regular, kind of funky shape, like almost like a rectangle organic compound filters. I have a lot of those. I don't have a lot of these round guys. So I would, for this to integrate into my stuff, I would need to get some of the PA1 filter sets, because I do not have any of them, but hey, it's a full face respirator. Okay, so we got that. We got some more strapping. We got the actual pad, or the actual frame that you hook to the back seat of your car, and you just use all the included strapping, and then they give you the rifle rack, the little holder there that affixes to this, so you can put your rifle on it. And let's get these last few little items out so I can get this big old box out of the way. And that was it. That was everything in the box. All right, so we got this. And let's see. We got some Murph's mosquito repellent balm. Now, I just got some of this. Man, I got such a bad memory. I just got some of this in a box. I don't remember who it's from though. So the items in here that I've definitely seen before, definitely going to be this. And like I said, I've gotten 2 sets of these frames. I got a full face respirator some time ago. I got this before. I've got this before. And then let's see, we got a solar inflatable light plus mobile charging. All right, from Luci, L-U-C-I, I'm assuming that's what that is. It's just a little power up with Pro Outdoor 2.0 with mobile charging capabilities, 150 lumens, and lasting up to 50 hours on a single charge. It's a compact solar light, so it obviously has a little solar panel built into it on the top, I would assume, since it is solar. Let's see, where's my knife? Let's take a quick peek at this real fast, real quick like in a hurry. Let's see what this thing's about. I just want to see what it looks like. See if it actually does have, yep, it does have a, and there she is, it does, wow, this is a funky, wait a minute, why is, what's going on here? So you blow it up. Okay. Now it seems like this would obscure, it seems like this might choke a little bit of the charging capabilities on the solar side. So this is meant to be like 100%, this is meant to be like waterproof, I'm assuming, because it's in this plastic thing that you, man, that thing is, you gotta blow it up. You blow it up, but the solar panels on the top there are covered in this plastic material. So I don't know, I'm not an expert on solar stuff, but that seems like that would sort of inhibit, maybe not, I don't know, like I said, I'm not an expert in it, but it does have like a waterproof cover for the USB that's right there on the top. The little USB port does have like a waterproof little cover there. Okay, well, hey, fair enough. All right, and they do give you a little cable. So yeah, that's definitely a funky little gadget that I've never seen before. So we'll have to break this thing out and give it a whirl. See what it do. And believe it or not, hey, I believe this is a knife. It says F3 knife, model FB7601-GR. So yeah, this box came with a knife. Has a little bag. It says Gonzo Tools. Hopefully you guys can see that. Don't eat that. All right. Man. Nice. It's a nice knife. Let's see. Is it saying, is this just a, this is just sort of a, it's in Russian. This is a little warranty card. It doesn't really tell me anything about the knife. So I don't know anything about it other than it says it's a F3 knife made by Ganzo, G-A-N-Z-O. If you guys want to be some internet soup, but it does have on here, it says it's 440C. Okay, it does have a lock. Action seems smooth, straight, you know, doesn't have any kind of curve, really. It has a little bit of a curved profile. It does have a lashing hole on the end, does have some chimping up here and up here. And I do like it does have a mild little sweep up to the spine, and then it terminates straight to the point. And you do have some right here on the scales, some chimping, and on the top of the spine here. And it's very natural. It's a very natural resting place, at least for me, you know. And broken record, I got small hands, so yeah. But it does feel good. It does have a choil right here that, you know, is nice. And this is a really nice knife. You know, the choil is perfect, man. It keeps will keep you from slipping up onto the edge of the blade. Man, this is a nice knife. This is a nice knife. Can't give no credit. I have no idea where this box came from. It came from a fulfillment center in Staten Island. Don't know. So, if you made it this far, you know, thank you, appreciate it. So I'll put a subscription button over here, a next video over here, and tell me what you guys think about this box that I have no idea what company it came from, how much it cost. I don't know anything about the prices of any of this stuff, but I will tell you I am very stoked about this F3 knife in this cool olive sort of green color. Has some really cool scales, looking scales on it. It's a very, very comfortable knife, supposedly 440 stainless. Got this cool tinder maker, can't wait to try that out. I got another bag, got some mosquito repellent, and got a little emergency radio. There you go. Let me know, comment section down below. What do you guys think about this box for, I don't know, an unknown price from an unknown company? Let me know. Look forward to hearing from you. See you next time. Peace.